solve this one. Divide 6a cubed b squared c minus 8a squared b to the fourth power c cubed plus 12a b cubed c squared. So, i-divide natin kay 2ab squared c. So, ang gagawin natin dito, i-divide natin yan itong first term, second term, at third term sa ating divisor. Okay? So, 6a cubed b squared c, divide natin kay 2ab squared c. Then, minus, kopyahin natin yung minus sign, then 8a squared b to the fourth power c cubed. Divide natin kay 2ab squared c. Okay? Plus 12ab cubed. Cube yan ha. C squared. Divide natin kay 2ab squared c. Okay, ngayon, so i-divide natin ito si 6 divide by 2. So, that is 3. Then, a cube divide by a. So, kapag mag-divide tayo ng the same base, so we will subtract the exponent. So, 3 minus 1. So, merong 1 na exponent yan. So, magiging a squared. Okay, yung b squared dito, tsaka b squared sa denominator, i-cancel natin yan kasi ang result niyan is 1. Ganun din kay c, cancel natin yan. Then, kopyahin natin yung minus. Then, divide natin 8 divided by 2 is 4. Divide natin yung numerical coefficient. Then, a squared divided by a. So, that is a na lang. Kasi mag-subtract tayo ng exponent. So, 2 minus 1 is 1. Or mayroong isang a. Then, b to the fourth power. Minus natin kay, divide natin kay b squared. So, that is b squared. Subtract the exponent. 4 minus 2 is 2 or squared. Then kay c naman, that is squared. Okay? Next, plus. I-divide naman natin itong numerical coefficient. So, 12 divided by 2, that is 6. Then, cancel natin yung a. Okay? Then, yung b cubed, divide natin kay b squared. So, that is b na lang. C squared, divide natin kay c, that is c na lang. So, sa choices natin, letter A is the correct answer.